Welcome to like a top 25 SEO and digital interview questions. This is Venkat from Kashav Infotech and Wikiti Company, and this video is powered by Liquid Web Company. Let's move on. So over here, just go to this URL liquidweb.com/solutions.reseller. They are providing lots of reseller hosting programs, and here is the details. So they are providing some of the features for the resellers. The one is like a free WHSM, and apart from that, like 100% uptime, everything is there, and they are providing lots and lots of services, and here is the links and everything. Just watch this URL and you are able to get all the information. And apart from that, if you are looking to purchase anything, so over the description, like a description of this video, like we provide the URL, you can use it, and here is the details of that particular website. Okay, let's move on to the interview question. So as I told, my name is Venkat. I am a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional Award winner. I am a typical software trainer and a job consultant. I am guiding the people towards the technology, and apart from that, so my nature of work is to guide the people towards career. So if you are looking for any change in career, you can approach me at any time. Okay, here is the first question. What is SEO? So search engine optimization. So it's nothing but, see over here I'm trying to search for Python tutorial. Over here, like you're able to see my website wikidiki.com, which is almost in 16th position, and apart from that you are able to see like all the web pages of W3 schools, tutorials, points and everything. So bringing your web pages to the first page is called as a search engine optimization. How you are going to optimize your website so that the search engine will understand your website and it will come to the first page. So here is the definition of SEO. The abbreviation is search engine optimization or optimizer. So changing the rank of the web page and increasing the quantity and quality of traffic to your website is referred to as search engine optimization. And it's of two types. The one is like a SEO. So SEO is nothing but so you're able to see quality of traffic. So how I'm attracting the visitors and how I'm bringing the traffic to the system. So over here I gave the things, and quantity of traffic, how much number of search clicks are happening, the right people clicking through these search engine result pages. So more traffic is better. And finally organic results. So how you are getting the organic traffic. So say things like I'm using like a Python tutorial, so someone is searching somewhere and they are clicking my websites. That's called organic traffic. So these areas are considered for SEO. So many companies, SEO companies, they are looking for they are working in this area to increase the quality of traffic and increase the quantity of traffic and organic results. So considering quality of traffic, say I want the traffic comes only from US. I want US customers to get impressed and they have to access my data. Yes, it's done. Okay, that's your quality of tracking. And number of requests is quantity, and organic results is like to this particular tutorial, this is the exact user coming and searching for it. So everything comes to the picture. And here is the types of SEO. So two types of SEO is there. One is like on-page SEO and the other one is off-page SEO. What is that on-page SEO? You are able to see in this page I gave Python and Python tutorial. Over here, learn Python. If you want to learn Python and Python programming, everything is there. So this is how I'm trying to put the keywords and everything into the page on page to make my search engine to understand, hey, if you're looking for Python tutorial, this is the web page. If you're looking for learning Python, yes, this is the page. And if you want to learn Python programming, this is the page. Python tutorials, this is the page. Okay, this is how this is called on-page optimization. So two types of SEO is there. One is on-page and the other one is off-page SEO optimization. So let's move on to talk about the on-page SEO optimization. So image alt attributes, the page title, headline, body, the meta keywords, meta description, internal and external links, and finally the URL. Everything is really important for on-page SEOs. And off-page SEOs is so I'm trying to submit my URL into google.com. Google search engine, other directories, bing.com, yahoo.com. So article submissions, comment posting, RSS submissions, classify ads, press release, social bookmarking, forum posting. So there are lots and lots of things are there related to off-page SEO. So here is the difference between this on-page and off-page. So just check it out. So you got a site architecture and coding. Over here it's a link building, heading, page title, meta tags. Here mobile optimization, conversions and goals. Over here is blogs and articles. Over here sitemap is really important to access the pages. Over press release, rich contents. Over is a deep linking, internal linking, it's external linking and influencer research. And site speed is really important on page. social optimization is really important off page. So these are the very important areas we should focus in this optimization techniques. You may ask me, our company, we are providing an internationally like a guaranteed and apart from the international recognized digital marketing and SEO courses for the students and also for the professionals. You can contact me at any time to get help from us. Here is the what are the SEO techniques available. So that's the next question. So what are the SEO techniques available? The one is like white hat SEO and the other one is black hat SEO. So white hat SEO is like it's good for the Google search engine and for the good it's good, it's like a genuine path, and over the black hat is not a genuine path. Over here the techniques that search engine recommend as part of a good design is called a white hat SEOs. Black hat is negative SEO. This got a reverse effect also. Techniques that search engine do not approve and attempt to minimize the effect of these techniques are called as spam dexing. Okay, so you should not use this black hat SEO. So white hat SEO has the following features. So it confirms the search engine guidelines, does not involve any deception, content like it ensures the content of the search engine indexes and subsequently ranks it. Okay, it ensures that a web page content should have been created for the users and not for the search engines. Okay, not for the search engines, put it for the users, the search engine will crawl it. Okay, it ensures good quality of the web pages and ensures availability of useful content for the web pages. So these are the important areas of white hat technique. Whereas the spam indexing, spam dexing or black hat will be like a ranking improvements that are disapproved by the search engines. So it's built for the search engine and not for the human friendly. Okay, serving one version of a web page to search engine spiders and another version to human visitors. Oh, this is really like this is called as cloaking SEO tactic. You should not do that one. Okay, and apart from that, using hidden or invisible text. So I'll have a background of white, I got a white text. That's a black hat SEO. You should not do it. The page background color using a tiny font size, hiding them within the HTML code such as no frame section. You should not do it. Repeating keywords in the meta tags and using keywords that are unrelated to the website content. This is called as a meta tag stuffing. Okay, you should be careful with this one. Okay, apart from that, calculate the placement of keywords within a page to raise the keyword count, variety and density of the page. This is called a keyword stuffing. You should not do it. Creating low quality web pages that contain very little content, and apart from that, like a similar keywords and phrases stuffed with very similar keywords. These pages are called as doorway or gateway pages. You should not do it. Mirror websites. So I got the websites, I got the same website, two websites to put it in Google search engine. No, you should not do it. Creating a rogue copy of a popular website which shows content similar to the original. Copy the content of the similar websites, put it in another website and try to rank it. No, you should not do it. This is called as page hijacking. Now let's move on to the next question. So what do you mean by PageRank or PR? PageRank is nothing but the ranking given by the search engine. Okay, so it's given by Google, which will be displayed at the bottom of the page, and it's from 0 to 10. Okay, every page the Google search engine is responsible in calculating the page rank, and this is like really important to understand how much the page is famous. So while the details of the page rank are proprietary, it is generally believed that the number and importance of inbound links to the page are the significant factors. These are things used to calculate the page rank. You may ask me a question. Our company Kashav Infotech, we are conducting INPLANT training and internship for the people, and we are giving this training for the degree studying people, degree completed people, freshers, experienced people. You can contact me anytime. I am ready to help you, and this is my contact number. And here is the courses, and here is the cost of my courses, and I am the trainer. I am ready to tell you and ready to help you like personally with all my contents, and here is the contact number. What is a backlink? Backlink is nothing but, see, I got a Python tutorial website. I got a Python tutorial in my website. I'll put that Python tutorial in some other website, like so that if someone is searching, I want to consider Quora.com. In the Quora.com, someone is searching like, hey, I want to learn Python tutorial. In the case, like, I'll put a comment over there, like, if you want to learn Python tutorial, just watch this website. So I'll be redirecting here. So they call it as backlinks. You're able to see it here. This is my video channel, Kashu Venkat, and here like I got my Mindtree interview questions. Over here, like I got these are the contents and everything, so everything is given. And finally, like if you are looking for more interview questions, go to this URL. HR interview question, go to this URL. So So this is called a kind of a backlinks I am creating in my videos to my website. Hey, like learn Mindtree in this question, and if you are looking for more videos on any other technical things or any technology, go to this URL. So they call it as backlinks, the links which is created. So wikidigi.com got almost a 211 backlinks here. You are able to see the backlinks here. It's a hyperlink that links from a web page. Okay, so getting from good PageRank and the relevant sites, it's kind of an inbound links. They call it as backlinks. What is an outbound link in SEO? So your website, I'm giving to link to another website. You are able to see it here. I got my website, I'm giving a link to other website. They call it as outbound links. Over here is my URL wikidigi.com/technology. I'm clicking video prog. I've created a video on video prog, article on video prog. You're able to see for video prog website, I created a link over here. So this is called as outbound links. This is called as outbound links. You are able to see the website here. This is how your outbound links are there. So linking from your web page to another website is called like outbound links. You got two things available. One is no follow link and do follow link. No follow link is like informing your search engine, hey, like I got a link, please do not follow that link. Don't crawl that website. So no follow link has a relation as a no follow tag inside the code. This tag says to the Google spider not to follow the link. And do follow, hey Google, just follow the link. So crawl my website if there is a link available, like a crawl that website also. So it's called as a do follow link. Now let's talk about what is a keyword. So keyword is nothing but, see, I got like I want to like search, I want to like build a page for Python tutorial. If someone is searching in Google for Python tutorial, yes, this is my website. So I put my keyword over here, Python tutorial. If someone is searching for Python tutorials, my keyword is matching, my web page will come back and it will be in the top. So it's called as like a keyword. So you're able to see Python tutorials, my tutorial is here, and I'm trying to check the web pages of my like a code. I'm trying to check the view source of that pages. I'm trying to check it out. Let's say like this is my tutorial. This is my view source page of my Python tutorial. You are able to see the title with the keywords and everything here. And apart from this, you got a description. I got the description. In the bottom, you got the keywords. So if someone is searching for these keywords, hey, this is my website. You just give this website. So that's why this is called as keywords. So are the keywords and phrases in your web content that makes it possible for people to find your website via search engine. It's a shortcut that sums up an entire page. The keyword should be accurate and serve those sites up as a search results. So that's why your keywords are used. Now let's talk about anchor text. Anchor text is nothing but I got a link. On clicking the link, you'll be moved to the redirect. You'll be redirected to the another link. They call it as anchor tags. So anchor text will have anchor tag with a hyper reference with a URL, and this is a display content. Okay. So over here you're able to see my wikidigi.com. This is my website. Okay. So I'm trying to have my web page view source. You're able to see lots and lots of links are there. My description, my keywords, everything is here, which is specified in the meta tag. These are meta tags. I'm scrolling down, here is the link. So this is the one which I call it as anchor text with the hyper reference. Okay, this is a link. So it's linking the other files and CSS, and I'm trying to show the anchor text. Yes, anchor tag href wikidigi.com/technology. So the display is technology. Once if you click that one, you'll be moved to the wikidigi.com/technology URL. They call it as anchor text. Okay, this is how it will be. Yeah, I got the anchor text here. Okay, so it's a clickable hyperlink. It's also known as link text. Dictate the anchor text to be relevant to the page that linking with your site. Nowadays browser follow the blue and underlined anchor text. What are called as organic results? So that's the next question. What is organic results? See, actually, like I'm searching for Python tutorials. You're able to see my site is of almost 13.3 rank, and you're able to see this is called organic results. Okay, if someone is searching and I'm getting the website, like the website is shown, it's called as like organic results. So listing on a search engine result page, that appear because of the factors such as relevance to the search term and valid search engine optimization. They call it as organic results. Organic search is a natural search, refers to unpinned search results. Now let's talk about what is Googlebot. Googlebot is nothing but Google will take care of crawling the web pages. They call it as Googlebot. You are able to see, I got my web pages, my Googlebot will scan the web pages and it will send all the information to the Google and it will be indexed. It will be listed on records. Okay, it will be indexed, and if someone is accessing, the top contents will be shown. So it is also called a spider. It's kind of a software used by a Google to search bot to index a page. So you are able to see the spider will crawl my web pages, analyze the content stored in the index, and it will be ranking it. And if user is searching, the result will be coming back. This software collects the information from every web page by doing the crawling, caching, and indexing the web pages. Now let's talk about the next area called a meta tag. What is meta tag? Meta tag is nothing but it's in the top to define what is the description of this page, what is the keyword of this page, on what kind of content, who is the author, how much frequency the web page can be accessed. Everything can be specified inside a meta tag. Okay, you are able to see it here. My Cashion for the website is here, and you are able to see these are the meta tags. So meta name equal to description, description of the website, meta name equal to keyword, description of the keyword, the theme color, author, everything is specified in the meta tag. Okay, these are called as meta tag. So it's used in HTML, describe the page content, appear on the page code, not the page itself. Okay, it's 4 subsections: meta title, meta keyword, meta description, and robot tags. These are some of the tags available for meta. And meta keyword attribute, a series of keyword you deem relevant to the page in question, title to specify the title of the pages, everything, description, the description of the page, and meta robots attribute, an indication to search engine crawlers. Hey Google, just crawl my website every day. The frequency of change of the website is every day, something like that. I can specify in this meta robot attribute. Now let's talk about the tools used for SEO. What are the tools available for SEO? Some of the tools to improve ranking are Google Page Speed Insights to check the speed and usability check of the site, Moz Local Listing Score, Online Local Business Scores, keywordtool.io, given a keyword and it provides a huge number of long tail keywords, Google Analytics provide complete web stats and search insights, Google Search Console plus Bing Webmaster Tools, it provides constant analysis, alerts, and error reports of your website. Hey Href Backlink Checker, comprehensive link analysis, Moslink Explorer, it provides a complete overview of your website, pages, and links. Google Keyword Planner, written all sorts of helpful stats to guide your keyword strategy. And apart from this, Google.com in an incognito window gives all autofill options. Google Trends shows the popular search terms over time. Href SEO Toolbar, SEO metrics for web pages and Google searches. And here is some more tools: SEO Web Page Analyzer for on-page analysis of the website, SERP Simulator Google Search Results Preview, Schema Creator for creating your customized search results, SimilarWeb Site Statistics, and SERP Robots. Okay, shows the top ranking position of the keywords. These are some of the hottest tools available for SEO. You may ask me like, sir, I want to learn, I want to take lots and lots of content about the SEO and SEO related stuffs. In that case, just go to this URL wiki.com/interview questions/ it's not SEO, sorry for this. This is not SEO. Just check the description of this video. Like I'll put the URL of this particular contents. Okay, it's SEO and digital marketing interview questions is the URL. Okay, and apart from, you got thousands of questions of lots and lots of technology in this particular channel, Kashyap Venkat. Just watch this channel. Now let's talk about what is Google Sandbox. So Google Sandbox refers to the commonly held belief, okay, that Google, so what Google will do is like, so once if you create a website, immediately it won't get crawled. Okay, it will wait for a time. Okay, so instead of like and it will wait for a time, it will check how much the hits of the web page is happening, and based on that Google will start crawling it. Okay, so Google has a filter that places all new websites under restrictions for a certain amount of time to prevent them from ranking in searches. This may happen due to the building of so many links within a short time period. Okay, now let's talk about what are the limitations of title and description tag. How much length you can have the title and description tag. Here is my wikidigi.com. So over here on right click and check for the view page source, you are able to see the title here. Here is the title. What could be the maximum length you can have, and what could be the length of the description you can have? Okay, that's the one we need to check it out. Yeah, that's the title. Okay, so let's see. Your title tag specify the title, and it should display the first 50 to 60 characters of the title. And if you keep your titles under 60 characters, you can expect 90% of your titles to display properly. Okay, so 50 to 60 is the apt one for the title. For the description, it's 160 character limit. It is best to keep meta tags long enough that they are sufficiently descriptive, but shorter than that of 160 character limit. Okay, that's the one. Now let's talk about how will you increase the page rank of your page. Okay, these are some of the points. Yeah, unique SEO optimized content. Okay, so content should be optimized and it should be unique. Don't copy and paste the same work. Use heading tags and keywords. Backlinks, how many backlinks you are going to create? Article direct to submissions. Submit blog to web directories. Ask other blog to link to you. Organize the blog context. See your site in search, and finally fix the broken links are some of the very important areas to increase the page rank of your page. How will you treat web standards while optimizing your website? So while applying the web standard from the W3C, it will optimize. So if you apply W3C standard, automatically your web standard will be optimized, and it will help the Google and other search engine to crawl it properly, and it will improve the page rank of the website. What is a 301 redirect? If considering I got a old page, I need to redirect to the new page. Okay, so what is redirect? Redirect is a process which will redirect the user from an old page URL to a new page URL. Okay, so it's a redirect in a permanent redirect which passes through between 90 to 99% of link equity to the redirect page. So 301 redirect is nothing much. It's a HTTP error code or a redirection code which will take care of redirecting your web pages to the next web page or new web page from the old pages. In most instances, the 301 redirect is the best method for implementing redirects on your website. Now let's talk about what is cloaking. So cloaking, a clean SEO page and a spammy page. What is cloaking? It is one of the SEO technique. It's used to deliver the content on a web page to a search engine. The goal of cloaking is to boost a website search engine rank on certain keyword. Okay, there are some examples of cloaking include serving a page of HTML text to search engines while showing a page of images and flash to users. Inserting the text and keywords in the page only when the user agent requesting the page is a search engine, not a human visitor. Here is a different cloaking method available: IP address cloaking, user agent cloaking, HTTP referrer, HTTP accept language header cloaking, and finally JavaScript cloaking. Our company Kashiv Infotech is providing lots of training on INPLANT and internship and also courses. You can contact me anytime, and here's the number. Now let's talk about the next question. What method would you apply for the decreasing the loading time of a website? I want to decrease the loading time of the website. In that case, reduce the image size, optimize the content, and reduce the size of the page, or some of the very important factors. Let's see what are the factors. Optimize the caches improves the page load time. So I'm trying to optimize the caches, ensure that the mobile browser uses local memory to cache resources in order to avoid unnecessary. So once the website is loaded here, cache it. No need to load once again. So the server will be free, no need of internet. Trim down JavaScript parsing to achieve ideal page load time. So JavaScript is very important. You will be having thousands of lines of code with the JavaScript. Reduce the size. By mobile browsers increases the page load time. Optimize the page load time of your mobile site by deferring the passing of unnecessary script tags. Do away with the redirects and improve website speed. So redirects usually require extra, so don't have any redirection. Okay, so I got 100 pages, among that 50 pages is redirected. If you go to Kashin Photo, go to this site. No, don't redirect it. It will take lots of time, page speed and everything will be like getting reduced. Minify the JavaScript and style sheets to speed up your websites. So reduce the size of your JavaScript files and style sheets. So unnecessary spaces, unnecessary like contents, everything can be removed. Apply CSS3 and HTML5 to improve page load time. So these two frameworks are lightweight objects when compared to the legacy version of HTML and CSS. And minimizing the image size to reduce the average page load time. You can have JPEG files or a PNG file. So based on that, the image size will be getting reduced instead of a BMP file and all. Okay, so reduce it and afterwards you can use it, so that loading the images will take lots of time, that can be reduced. Apply Ajax to speed up your website. So you can apply Ajax for fetching data and everything, so that a portion of the web page will get refreshed instead of the loading the entire website. Okay, so use Ajax to speed up your website. Use content delivery network to improve average page load time. Okay, so you can have a cloud server or something like that. Over there you can put an image and access it. Okay, so Wikipedia explains the content media delivery network and everything. So use a CDN, content delivery network. So see, I got an image in a website. Don't put it in a local server, put it in a Amazon or Google server and try to access it. It will be damn fast when compared to loading the content from the a local servers. What are webmaster tools? What are webmaster tools? So here is the webmaster tools. So I am trying to go to Google and search for the webmaster, and you are able to see my webmaster tools here. I am trying to log in. You are able to see how many total web search clicks are there, and if there is any errors, you are able to see it here, errors. And apart from that, what is the usability in mobiles and everything, performance, URL inspections, everything is given. What are the links available? Everything can be retrieved from the webmaster tools. So it's one of the most useful SEO tool to identify the issues with your site. So it's about the indexing data, backlinks, search queries, crawl problems, and malware complaints and XML sitemap. Everything is specified in this webmaster tools. What is the signs of overall good performance of a website which search engine allows? The click-through rate should be good. You're able to see the users here and the new users here. So old users are coming back, number of sessions, the bounce rate, everything will define the performance of the website. Okay, returning visitors. See, if someone is returning back, they call as returning visitors. Good conversion rate. So showing in the Google, they are clicking. I'm getting an good conversion rate and click-through rate and socially shared. These are very, very important for a good performance of your website. What is a landing page? So here is my analytics. You are able to see these are the landing pages available. I'm trying to show it in my website. Okay, so the user is trying to land in my pages. They call it as landing pages. What are the pages? So it's a page that focuses the information targeted towards a particular user. Okay, so it's designed with a single focus objective, call to action. Okay, it is also the entry page in a website which you particularly open. So landing pages are more commonly used in internet marketing campaigns, especially email and PPC marketing management. To which page everyone should come? So my Python tutorial will be having a Python home page. That's the landing page. Hey, come to this page and you can see all the pages. What is keyword stemming? See, keyword stemming is nothing but mapping a particular keyword with multiple keywords is called keyword stemming. Okay, so it's a useful tool in SEO, adding a prefix suffix to make the keyword into a new word in a particular website. It's a great traffic draw for the website, and please do not go with keyword stuffing and repetition of the same keyword in the same pages multiple times will be a kind of a keyword stuffing. It's not keyword stemming. What is cross-linking? You are able to see the websites, like multiple websites will be having a kind of a relationship in linking the sites. So linking between two sites also serve an interesting purpose in terms of SEO. Link affiliation. So many people will give money, hey, like put my link and my article into your website, we will pay you. Link affiliation, IP address and no spamming are some of the very important points you should use, important elements of cross linking. What do you mean by understand by frames in HTML? So like a frames is a older version of coding used in HTML, and it's not there in HTML5. They are not supporting HTML5. So it divides the content in a page into several parts. Okay, so a collection of frames in the browser window is known as a frame sets. So this is called as frame sets. So under frame sets, frame set / frame set, you can have frames. Okay, the windows is divided into frames in a similar way. The tables are organized into rows and columns. Frames are completely looking different pages. So frames have a negative impact on SEO. So please do not use frames. So it had a negative impact on SEO. What is a mobile SEO? A mobile friendly web page is called as mobile SEO. Is a process of designing a website to make it suitable for viewing on mobile devices on different screen size having low bandwidth. Mobile optimization takes a look at site design, site structure, page speed and some more informations. This is the final question. How does search engine perform? The one is like it will do crawling, it will do indexings, and afterwards it will do rankings. So it will crawl it and index it, and finally the algorithm will be taking care of ranking, and the retrieval of data is happening. Okay, this is how your search engine performs. Okay, and so here is the one, web crawling. Web crawling is nothing but accessing or reading the websites, as copying what is on the web page and repeatedly checking the multitude of pages and everything is done. So this can be done by the robots, crawlers or spiders, and they called as web crawler. You are able to see web page, hyperlinks, and hyperlinks is there. So how the crawling is working. And here is the one for indexing. So after crawling the pages, and it will index it. Okay, so this page it got this much rank, put it in the 3rd rank, 4th list, 5th list or something like that. It will do all the indexing. Okay, the process of organizing the mass of data and pages so that they can be searched quickly for relevant results are called as indexings. And the final is algorithm. So the algorithm is really complex and lengthy equation which calculates a value for any given site in relation to a search term. Okay, it will have a value. It will have a value like for that particular keyword. Based on that, it will try to rank it and show to the user. That's how the algorithm will work. What does PPC stand for? Pay per click. Okay, so Google is really famous for pay per click. See, actually, like once if some users are clicking, so I'm advertising in my Google. Okay, hey Google, like I want Python tutorial to be like advertised. In that case, I'll pay some 100 rupees or some $10. Okay, so if some user is clicking on the like link to see my website, Google charge some $1, $2. They call it as a PPC, pay per click. It measures how much online advertisers must pay each time their advertisement when it is clicked on. It is a way of buying visits to the site rather than attempt to earn those visits organically. It is called as PPC. And that's the end of my session. This is Venkat. We are conducting lots of training for the people in INPLANT and internship for the degree completed people, studying people, freshers and experienced people. If you are looking for a job, please contact me. I am ready to help you, and here is the course, cost and everything listed here. And here is my number. You can contact me at any time. And this is my Facebook, like a YouTube page, Kashu Venkat. Subscribe to our channel and please share this video to your friends and everyone. And this video's intention is to transform the society. I want to transform the society, and I want to make an awareness to the people. Like the interview is really simple, and we are here to help you on this. This is Venkat signing out. Thank you.